So I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video we are going to study about operators, and further we are going to study about bitwise operator in more clarity. Okay, so in previous video we covered relational operators and logical operators, and the video before that video that we discovered we learned about arithmetic operators. So previously we have discussed three operators: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator. So in this video now we will today discuss about bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are gonna be very important for you guys, so you have to study this properly. So what are bitwise operators? For example, uh, we have a number, let's say 6, and if I ask you what is binary for 6, how would you tell that? You would do calculations. Okay, and while doing calculations you will find the binary for 6. I don't know whatever it be. So you can find binary for 6 using bitwise operators. Means binary means converting that number into 1 or 0 format. Binary means 2, 1 or 0, because computer only understand binary language. It at last transcribes the code in 1 or 0 format only. In this way code runs. Compiler means performs the task or the code. So binary number and conversion from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, octal to binary, and many more are very important. You have to learn all these things, and I am thinking to make a video on conversion in future, and it will be very soon uploaded on my channel only. So today in this video, now let's start with bitwise operator. So under bitwise operator we have further more 4 operators that are AND, OR, NOT or XOR. So let's make our first of all file. We want to make a new file. Come on. And we will save this file as, name of the file would be bitwise op.cpp. I told you in previous videos, so to use this cpp extension, this means C++ file, and we have to save this. Okay, you can also make a folder and then save these files. That would be more readable. So what you can do now, you make format or the format structure of the code. So you will use boilerplate cpp. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to now understand all these operators in detail. So at first I'm going to take AND operator. AND operator means, let's take two numbers, 2 and 5. So how can you do AND of 2 and 5? Let's say I'm taking two variable and I'm taking the values input. So let's just declare it here only. N is equals to 5, and okay, 1 second, M is equals to 6. Okay, we have two variables 5 and 6, and now I want to do AND of 5 and 6. See out AND of M and M. It would be, you have to use first for brackets N, and you have to use the symbol for and M. So this means you are doing AND operator for N and M. So what an AND operator do? So first of all I'll tell you one thing. You want to do two numbers, so you should know what means how can you convert binary for those two numbers. So let's say 5. Binary for 5 we all know is 101, and binary for 6 is I'm doing it for you guys, 1 second. Okay, so it is 110. Binary for 5 is 101 and binary for 6 is 11110. I did it. You should also know how to do it. So for that I will make a video. In that video you can study all these things. So n and m. So we know that what I was telling you. Okay. Binary for 5 is 101. Okay, comma. Binary for 6 is 110. So what a AND operator do is, wherever it is 0 and 0, we will simply means add these binary, or we will write binary like this: 101 and 110. We will write like this. Then we will check it, means under this. So we will start from rightmost side. So we will from rightmost side we will check. Always keep in mind, AND of 0 and 0 is 0, AND of 0 and 1 is 0, AND of 1 and 0 is 0, and AND of 1 and 1 is always 1. Means for while doing AND for any two numbers, first of all we have to write binary of those both two numbers, and we have to keep one thing in mind: binary of both two number is 1 only in one case, when both are 1, otherwise it will be 0. So what we will get from rightmost side, we will write, so 1 and 0 0. Okay, 0 and 1 also 0. Okay, 1 and 1 is 1. Means now it is 100, and decimal number for 100 is 4. So AND of n and m is giving me binary 100, and binary for decimal for 100 we all know is 4. So let us check the result. What would be? Means AND of n and m will be 4 according to me, and that should be. So you can see here, AND of n and m we are getting is 4, so we are correct. So we have now understood what is AND operator, what it do, and you have to keep one thing also in mind: you can do AND of n with 1 also. What I am saying is, let's clear out this thing. Let us say we are having n as 5 and we are not taking m. We are not taking m, we are just taking n. Okay, we are taking n and we are taking n as 5. So binary for 5 is 101, and binary of 1 we all know is always 1 only. Binary for 1 is 1. Binary for 1 is 1. So while doing AND of 5 with 1, means I told you that binary while doing AND we start from rightmost corner. I told you we start from rightmost corner. So this one will move to rightmost of, means under 1 0 0. Means what I am trying to say is, I am taking n as an input, or I am declaring n as any value. Let's say I am taking here is 7, or no 7, no 11. So binary for 11 is, no, I am taking 10, sorry, 10 would be means a better option. 10 and 10. Binary for 10 is 1010, and binary for 1 is 1. So my motive, or what I am trying to say is, you have to take this one at rightmost of 10. Means We have 1, binary of 1 is 1, so we will make this binary a 4 digit number as of 10 only, so we will use rest as 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. So now we will find binary of 10 and 1. So 0 and 1 is 0, okay. 1 and 0 is 0, okay. 0 and 0 is 0, okay. 1 and 0 is 0, fine. So it is so, means the result is 0. Am I correct, or are you correct according to your calculations? Let's check it. According to my calculation, might be I am wrong, but 90% of me is saying that you are right. And you have to just, you are not correct every time. I'm not saying I'm perfect. You have to hit and try and do the things. It could be wrong, it could be right. You have to keep confidence on you while doing code, and focus on your calculation part more. That would be real part. See, my result is 1, means and of, okay. Why I am not getting 0? Because I was means taking example with 10. For 5, we all know, for 5 what would it become? It would become like this: 101, and I told you binary for 1 is 1 only, so rest 2 digit 0 then 1. Okay, now 1 1 1 0 0, I'll show you. 1 1 1, okay, and 0 0 and 1 0 0 only. So you are getting 0 0 1, means it is 1. 0 0 1 means 1 only. Let's go and check. 1, and if we are taking here as 10, of course we will get 0. You are getting 0. So I guess you are now clear with the AND operator. Okay, now further let's move on. We are done with AND operator. Now we will do OR operator. AND operator we are done. OR operator means, like in AND, what theory you can make? You can say for 1 and 1 we are getting 1, means we are like doing multiplication, something like that. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. So you can make an idea like that. Means in AND we are doing kind of multiplication, but in like in OR we are doing addition, a kind of part. Okay, you are, I'm not saying you that you are doing calculation or addition only, but you can assume it like that. In AND you are doing multiplication, a sense of idea, or I'm doing addition, another sense of idea, and that is means not wrong. I'm not means telling you wrong thing. This idea is also correct, logical. While doing probability in maths you have studied, your teacher might told you that AND is doing multiplication or is doing addition. Okay, they won't explain you the means aftermath of this, but this is the thing. So now OR, so that is completely opposite of AND. In OR means we are doing OR of two operands. We can take two operands and two variables. Also we can take one. Also we can do OR with any other integer value, same as AND, but main sense of OR becomes different, because while doing OR of 0 and 0, sorry, not AND, 0 or 0, OR of 0 or 0 is 0. Simple. 0 plus 0 is 0. OR of 0 and 1, sorry guys, not and, 0 or is 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 or sorry 1 or 0 is also 1, and 1 or 1 is 1. You might be thinking that 1 or 1 we are adding 1 and 1 is you will be getting 2, but why we are writing 1? Because we are dealing with binary, and binary we only have 0 and 1. So any case 1 plus 1 will be 2, means it would be more than 0. It won't be 0, so we can take it as 1 only, because binary we are dealing with 1 or 0, so we are taking 1 or 1 is 1. So you can memorize it like this, or you can just means it is very simple part, you can learn it also, but I am studying or letting you know with the ideology of or. So I think you are clear with OR. Now I am taking NS10 and NS6. So let's do for and NM, or I will explain you. For 10, what is the binary? 1010. For 6, what is the binary? 110. So how you will do the OR of both these two numbers? How you can do OR? So always you have to keep in mind, if the binary of bigger number is 4 digits, so you have to make a smaller also 4 digit by adding 0 at initial part. That won't affect anything to the number. That adding 0 in front at left side, that would be not, that won't be changing any value. But if you write 0, or you can, if you add 0 at end part, so it might change the value. Okay, so now it is like this. We have written binary for 10 and 6. Now we will do OR of 10 and 6. So OR of 10 and 6 is, always you have to start from rightmost part, but no worries, you can start from left also. That won't change any answer or any value. But the right manner of approach, or right approach of dealing with the problems or of operators, you have to start with the right, or you can start with left also. I won't force you. So 1 or 0 is 1. Okay, 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1, and 0 or 0 is 0. So it is 1 1 1 0. So I don't know what is the decimal for 1 1 1 and 0. You will check it and see out part, but I have to do this for you guys. 1 1 1 0 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 2 to the power 3, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 4 0 is cancelled, 12 and 14. So this is the OR of N and M will be 14, guys. Okay, I was correct. Sorry, I have to write here OR, not AND. OR of N and M means 10 and 6 is 14 according to the calculations. I will definitely make a video of conversion decimal into binary or binary into decimal in further video. So main motive to make this video is to clear out the part or bitwise operators. So you are clear with AND, you are clear with OR. Now we will move on and not operator. Before doing not operator, I will explain XOR operator, because not operator is a bit different operator. It is a little bit of complicated, but I won't say it is very hard. It is little bit of different. Okay, so XOR operator also works with two operands. Okay, one you can take another as integer part, or you can take any variable. So let's say I am taking 10 and 6, same example I am taking, and we are doing XOR, and symbol for doing XOR is this. power part. You know, we do power. Okay, so how in computer language we denote power? We denote power by this symbol. I don't know what is the name of this symbol. Sorry guys, I will. If you know, you can write down in comment. So we do XOR of two opponents like this. So you can convert two decimals into binary, but my main motive of explaining XOR is to deal with binary. Binary you can get 0 or 1. Okay, so now what will be the results for different situations? So let's take, I am taking 0 XOR of 0, 1 second, 0 XOR 0 is equals to 0, 0 XOR 1 is equals to 1, 1 XOR 0 is equals to simply 1, 1 XOR 1 is 0. Now the difference in and OR and XOR is this much only. In OR part, the OR of 1 and 1 was 1, but in XOR, keep this thing in mind, or you have to means learn this thing. XOR of 1 and 1 is 0, otherwise it is similar to OR part. Okay, now you might be doing the further examples. Let's take 10 and 6 only. Okay, so binary for 10 was 1010, binary for 6 was 0110, and the XOR for this is 10 XOR is 1. Okay, 01 is 1, 11 is 0, and 00 is also 0. So 110 again, 1100 again, we are getting this 14. Again we are getting output as 14. Let's check if we are right or not. Okay, so XOR of N and M we are getting as 12. So I guess we did a mistake, something like that only. 0 0 0 1. Okay, sorry guys, here 1 1 is also 0, 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Fine, 12. Or okay, 1100, decimal for 1100 is 12 only, because 1110 is 14. Sorry guys for that. Okay, I think that you are now clear with XOR also. That is